Latest kitchen backsplash styles can give your kitchen a modern spin and a fresh look with affordable and time-saving kitchen facelift ideas. Elevated backsplash designs with adornable color schemes are becoming one of the popular options for kitchen and bathroom upgrade. The right kind of design tile decorative can add a colorful and artistic boost to kitchen space. Latest vertical tile backsplash designs are best way to introduce a new aesthetic value with a modern appeal, but can be transferred to the kitchens with a classic look as well. Vertical tile backsplashes have become a fad that gives the kitchen a modern uplift while still preserving its timeless look. Linear backsplash styles are homeowners' choice for fantastic two-tone kitchen boasts. Linear mosaic tile is especially popular for high-contrast backsplashes. Designers are using this style to combine glass, stone, and even metal in eye-catching patterns. Chevron and herringbone patterns are most popular patterns to bring modern look to kitchen space. Bright color schemes with twisted patterns goes well with most cabinet designs and countertop styles. Let's check few modern zigzag backsplash patterns for kitchen inspiration. Geometric shapes and patterns are best choice, to bring dramatic look, with bright colorful hues to any kitchen space. Hexagon, square and picket style shapes in bright glazed, matte finishes are popular and easy to go with most kitchen styles. Let's explore a few geometric backsplash styles. I hope you enjoyed the content of this video. Please do not forget to give a like to this video. For channel encouragement, I appreciate your support. Thank you.